All right, guys, today we're coming up on jungle jumps. It's Ed Cash is the owner. We're going to see his operation. I'm very excited. He's got a very automated, computerized system that we'll be able to show you today. So let's take a look. What drew you to the inflatable industry?
Well, I've been in manufacturing for basically all my life. I have a bachelor's degree in automated manufacturing. So I believe in the lean concept, TPS, Toyota Production Systems. I believe the companies I ran, we had upwards of a couple of thousand people working for me. And all the years, we made sure through efficiencies, standardization, that we did not outsource a single job outside the country. I made sure that everything was made in the United States, and that was the key. Because it's a competitive market, but some industries have to leave the United States because it's just no matter how efficient you are, you still are not competitive enough. But there's a lot of industries that it's easy to say, you know what, we can go to China, but they're not looking at the efficiencies on the floor, how much efficiency they can pick up, and they can still stay here. So my forte was, standardization and being able to standardize in a way, be lean, and make the product here. So for years I managed companies and all that, and I said, I'm getting old. I think I should look for a business of my own. I've made a lot of people rich, and I just want to do something. So for years I was looking into buying a business, looked at different items and the challenges from overseas and all that. And when I ran across 2008, when the collapse, October, everybody knows what happened then. Right before that, I was looking at it, and I looked at it, the industry, and I said, wow, this is a great industry because everything's going to e-commerce, and what else, and products are going to be sold online, so if we have an online presence, and it's really fun. We're going to manufacture fun. We're actually going to make something that we're shipping happiness in a way, right?
Right.
So, and then that was great because relatively it takes a few ingredients. You got vinyl, you got thread, and you got some stuff like the Velcro or the webbing and all that, but pretty much it's it's only a few ingredients. And the people who put it together, they have a good skill set. So, and it looks like something we could do. And looked at it, like I said, purchased the company. They had 2 employees. They were, cutting by hand, and we slowly got into it. That we have the cutting machines now. That we put the design, the computer. So it took us, and then along the way, we bought some other companies for their designs. And the most importantly, it wasn't the companies that we bought. It wasn't just for the designs, because we wanted to acquire their employees for the knowledge they have. We typically, every sword that we, right now, that we have on our floor, we train ourselves. We don't like to hire swords from other places because it's a lot better for us to actually train from zero up, so they actually build the product based on our culture, and that's important to us. So again, going off subject, that's the reason I got into the inflatable industry, because I think it's cool to come out here and manufacture fun.
If you found this information helpful or useful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and comment down below.